Hello all, welcome to my channel. Yes, today we are going to see a different area about an entrepreneur who has not been very famous, but the situation has changed the entrepreneur becoming a great gift to the mankind. Let us go and see who it is. This is Dr. Cyrus Poonawalla. He is the chairman and CEO of the Serum Institute. Let us know about his biography. Before taking up this Serum Institute, where we all know as of today, everybody suffering through this COVID 19, and before that, he has been a chairman of this group, Poonawalla, and he is having family business. He is born and brought up in Pune, Mumbai, and has been creating high quality vaccines in various vaccines for n number of new diseases which are occurring across the world, and he has offered various vaccines with a less expensive price and various collaborations with the international agencies for developing the vaccines of H1N1 or other virus or other disease. He is the 10th richest person in India with net worth of $6.2 billion, and according to the Forbes magazine, he has been ranked 286th richest person. Dr. Cyrus has been graduated in 1966 from the Brihan Maharashtra College of Commerce, University of Pune. Already he had been in the family business of horse racing and breeding and named this as Poonawalla Stud Farms, and now also he is being taking care about it, and but now it is being managed by his younger brother. He has got various honorary positions in the horse racing fields, various authorities, Turf Authority of India, Royal Western India, various such other authorities where they have been given an honorary position. And he has been having a passion for collection of this luxurious and sport vehicles, four wheelers. Now coming to this Serum Institute. This has been started in 1966, has been given as the one of the biotech company which is the top largest makers of vaccine amongst the vaccine makers across the world, and they are specialized in highly life-saving vaccines and giving a cutting edge towards the technologies and other medical specialties and giving more than 1.2 billion doses annually. This serum is all privately owned and has been having a backup with the World Health Organization in development of this Ebola vaccine, Ebola virus vaccine. Serum Institute has been contributions of Dr. Poonawalla's wealth of more than 90 percentage, and this has resulted almost increase in 40 percentage in the gross annual revenues around $600 million. Various vaccines are being produced by the Serum Institute of India, which are almost given to 140 countries across the world, which is being certified by WHO, World Health Organization, across the billions of people who are living across the world. They are also the number one producer for various diseases: diphtheria, tetanus, pertussis, BCG, hepatitis, measles, rubella, and much more. And of course, now in taking about his business journey, 1996, Poonawalla and his brother started the Serum Institute of India that has been launched, which is called the first therapeutic tetanus serum, and within 2 years of starting the company, they had started the production of anti-tetanus vaccine for the snake bite. And then they have started in 1974. They have been producing DTP vaccines, which protects the children from diphtheria, tetanus, and pertussis, which is the snake anti-snake vaccine for the snake bites. And 1989, he also produced they also produced the measles vaccines, and which is taken ahead for becoming the largest vaccine manufacturer. In 1994, they have been commissioned by the World Health Organization in order to export the vaccines from India and began the supply of high quality vaccines to all the United Nations agencies, various agencies, which is Pan American Health Organization and UNICEF. By 1998, this Serum Institute had started the supply of vaccines across 100 countries. By 2000, every 1 out of 2 child has been vaccinated by the Institute of Serum Company. Serum Institute of India is one of the India's emerging leader exporting of vaccines across 140 countries around the world. And his contribution towards the society is also an exemplary part to be mentioned. Dr. Cyrus Punawala has not only contributed the vaccines, he has been always giving the vaccines at a low cost, but also against the deadly diseases like the measles or other deadly Ebola, also to be mentioned at the latest and following ways. And he has been giving the contribution in the field of education, and he has been established the Soli Punawala Memorial High School and conference hall, also being named by his name at his college where he studied the graduation. And he has also been contributing for the beautification of the city by parks, buildings, and gardens, and also associate of executive council member of the Pune district leprosy committee, which is also charitable. N number of donations has been given by him for those suffering under the life threatening diseases, and he has participated in various CII, Confederation of Indian Industries, which has been taken as a program of zero load shedding by the captive power generation company. And he has also arranging various camps with the Rotary International for the free rubella immunization of girls who are from the slum areas. N number of contributions are being done by Dr. Cyrus Punawal. And now, at this latest juncture, as everybody expecting out of this pandemic, when is the end? As soon as various countries are competing with each other to produce a vaccine, and it is proud for India to be one amongst the competitor, as in the protection or in the trials there is two vaccines which are being produced, started with the preclinical trials and the clinical trials. And one among us, this Oxford University vaccine, which is being developed. So, this vaccine is now set to get in the commercialization process, and let us hope it goes at a positive phase, as India's drug regulatory has given the approval to Serum Institute to conduct the final stage of the human trials of the Oxford COVID vaccine, which is going to be started in India. And Serum Institute are playing an important part in phase 2 and phase 3 human trial and by the Oxford University vaccine being developed. And this has been final stage of the human trials and which is the vaccine candidate in India. And the development has come with the various expert committee which has been approved by after conducting various trials and the studies and the revised proposal also being submitted by the Pune headquartered company the Serum, and now the Central Drug Standard Control Organization also has given an approval and proposal and also confirmed by the ministry, and they are starting the trials. And this has been also a tie-up. Serum Institute also had a tie-up with the Swedish British firm AstraZeneca and has developed the vaccine along with the collaboration of University of Oxford. However, in order to make the vaccine best possible across the globe, now this Serum Institute has planned to manufacture the vaccine at a very low cost, which is going to go for both the developed as well as the underdeveloped, especially the low and middle income countries. And now they are going to conduct the phase 2 and 3 trials, around 1600 participants. The name has also been given, which is called COVID Shield, and this gives a ray of hope and sunshine and positivity as Serum Institute has started its production, and this has been a front runner of the COVID vaccine and across the world among the competitors. There is a initial estimation of giving 1 billion doses which are to be developed, and early phase of production has started before COVID shield of phase 3 is going to start, and it is expected to be to 2 to 3 billion production by August month. And there is a target that also being fixed around 300 million dosage by end of 2020, and the cost of the vaccine rupees 1000 being agreed. So this is how a small person, but still he is a family businessman. But in the case of taking this vaccine, almost many vaccines are being developed by the Serum Institute and has been a great success. And of course, this also might land up in success. But still, Oxford vaccine is in the trial of phase 3 to be started. But Serum has started its production, taking into the ray of hope that the phase 3 is also going to be a success clearance. Let us pray and hope that and this Serum Institute will make India proud, and this moment shall be read in the history forever. Thank you. Like and subscribe my channel.